Activity 5.
Listen to the following essay.
Science and our life. Today is 28th February. It is World Science Day. There is science exhibition in Karthik's school. The Maths Science Club of the school is in charge of the exhibition. Karthik visits the science exhibition with his mummy. Karthik says, "Mummy, hurry up." Mummy says, "Are we late for your science exhibition?" Karthik says, "Yes, because it's really very important for me and also for you." Mummy says, "For me?" Karthik says, "Yes, for you too." Mummy says, "Okay, we have already reached your school." Karthik says, "Wow! All parents have come. What an atmosphere of the school. Come, Mummy." Mummy says, "Take it easy." Now they are at the entrance. Karthik says, "Look, here are the 3 sections. Number 1, Environment. Number 2, Health Plus. Number 3, Agriculture." Mummy says, "Where shall we go first?" Karthik says, "To the agriculture section." Mummy says, "Why?" Karthik says, "Because I'm interested in it." Then we will go to the section of environment, and after that, we will visit the health section. Let's go. Mummy says, "Okay." Karthik says, "Hello, Prachi. What is your project about?" Prachi says, "Hello, Karthik." "Hello, Auntie. My project is on the terrace gardening and hydroponics method of agriculture." Karthik says, "What is that?" Prachi says, "Nowadays, because of urbanization, we have no enough space to grow trees or plants. Therefore, we should use terrace for gardening, and for that, hydroponics method of gardening. In this method, we have to make layers of stones on plastics on the terrace. With their help, plants can stand. After that, plants will be planted at appropriate distance and then give them water. We can also use PVC pipes. By hydroponics method, we can grow vegetables and fruits." Karthik says, "It's really a wonderful idea. Thank you, Prachi." Mummy says, "Yeah, thank you, Prachi. Karthik, we will make it on our terrace." Karthik says, Sure, Mummy. Let's go to the environment section. Mummy says, Okay. They are at another science project. Vasant says, Hey Karthik! Hello, Auntie. Karthik says, Hey! What is your project about? Vasant says, The project title is Bamboo and Banana Are the Best. Really, bamboo is a wonderful plant because there are many uses of it. The bamboo is very strong. Therefore, it is used to build the bridges. We can make many things like fences, fishing rods, rafts, baskets, furniture, etc. A plant may grow 80 feet or even more. Sometimes it shoots up 3 feet in a single day. Karthik says, It's wonderful. Mummy says, How is music produced in a flute? Vasant says, It's magic. The bamboo has joints all the way up the stem. The stem is hollow between the joints so that we can play on a flute. See these pictures. Karthik says, What about the banana tree? Vasant says, Yes, banana tree is also very useful because its leaves, flowers, trunks and fiber are important. Banana leaves are large, flexible and waterproof, so they are used as food container or plate. It is also useful in making cups, papers and dishes. Mummy says, Really useful. I have heard that we can make sari from banana. Is it true? Vasant says, Yes, it is right. Nepalis give rough materials to Rugmark, an institute which stands for child labor. It is also known as Good Weave International. They make clothes. This institute helps to abolish the child labor. In Tamil Nadu, weavers weave fibers of banana and make saris. Mummy says, Really wonderful. Good job, Vasant. Vasant says, Thank you, Auntie. Karthik says, Let's go to the last section, Mummy. Mummy says, Sure. They reach the Health Plus section of Science Project. Karthik says, Hello, Anjana. What is your project about? Anjana says, Hey, Karthik. Hello, Auntie. My project is about Health is Wealth. Herbs and spice do more than add flavor to a dish. Spice and herbs are really very useful for our body. See the chart. Spices. Uses. Ginger. Decreases motion and sickness. Elaichi. The oil of cardamom seeds is useful in the treatment of toothache. Shatavari. Its leaves boiled in oil are used for massage in brain disease. Garlic destroys cancer cells. Mummy says, Anjana, really a good work. I'm very happy to know because I can use all things for my family's health. Thank you so much. Anjana says, My pleasure, Auntie. Karthik says, Let's go, Mummy. We will try to make a terrace garden with the use of hydroponics method of agriculture. Mummy says, Why do you forget banana and bamboo? Karthik says, Yes, it's right. We will also grow more trees and plants. They are useful. Mummy says, Really? Thank you. Karthik, because you gave me chance to know more about its nature and its blessings.